它对小是嗲。
你弄一些操作。
下什么？
你 OK 啊？
那是大看相机不？
I will show you how to use the spindle, make the fires. Okay. Now, first press the curl dice. Now, multi-tool measurement. Now we already calibrated the tools. Now we make a fire with three tools. Now we use three. If you change the bleed, use the redo again. Now we calibrate already, so we no need close. Now this T1 now is used to be 2点T0 你不是 T0 吗 ？Before is T0. We still use T1. If you come back to take the holder T1, okay? So come here to hold the T1.
再让它移动过来，咱打开这儿，让看。
Make the graphic. We move Y to here for calibrate on the surface of the workpiece. To calibrate the bit on the surface of the working piece. Y. Okay. We hand it to the hand view move. We use the hand view. Okay, slightly. We use the see. You see, we move here. Just the bit on the surface of the materials. Now it's okay. Now back here, we press continuous and X, Y, 0. Now press OK. Z, 0. Press OK. Now we will see X, Y, Z, all is 0. Now we load the file. Press the file. Load the G code. Now we choose one. Okay. Open. Now it's open. The program. You will see the files. You see, it will use 3 bits. This is 1 tools. This is another number 2. This is number 3. Okay. 然后
开始吧。
Now we will press start. Okay. Now we make the dust cleaner up. You easily see. Now he's finished. Give you back to change the number 2 tools. You put it back. There you go. Take the number 2. Now is number 2 is a circle. Now if you back to take the tour 3. Now you come. Now we move it. Now number 3 tours we finish the square. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay. Now we will show you how to use the spindle. Okay. We make a fires. We use 3 tours, 3 blade. Now it's now for example, multi-tour measures. Now it's T1 to T8. Now we use 3 bits. Okay, because we will calibrate already. If you change the blade used to be recalibrated again. If not, it's no need. Now we use the T1. Okay, if you back to okay. Now we will put the blade. Now we will graphic.
走到前边来对走。
Let's move the in the front. Move Y. We will calibrate the surface on the material. Calibrate the tours. On the working piece, we choose the hand view. Move it to the Z. On the surface of the working piece. Okay. Now used to be make the XY to 0. Okay. Z to 0. Okay. Now you see X, Y, Z all is 0. Now you see the fires. Load the G code. Yeah. Since it is load G code. Now we choose fires. We do it. Now okay. NC fires. Open. Now program. You see simulation. Now we make these fires. Okay. You see. Now we press start. Now one bit is finished. If you back to take another holder, another bit. Now you hold another one. After you assemble is granted. Okay. Now open the software. Not back to home first. Now we will check if the sensor is working or not. Okay. Close it, and we will choose the hand wheel move. Choose the hand wheel move. Okay. We will use the hand wheel for this. Now we will choose the Y axis. We will test this sensor. Okay, let it back. Okay, move, slowly move. Okay, move. Now you see, the light is on. It means the sensor is okay. It's no problem. Now you see, it has a Y axis, limited the trigger. Now it means we just check the Y sensor is okay. Now we will move to the X. 检查一下 X 轴了。Now we slide, move to the left. Now okay, X slightly. Slide. Now you see, the sensor is turn of light. It means Y sensor is okay. It's no problem. Now we move to Z axis. Move up. Now we see Z light is on. It means Z sensor is okay. Now this continue. It means we should use these fires. X plus. You see, X plus. We press here. It's high speed. Press here is a low speed. You see, it's low speed now. It's low speed. Now it's X Y. You see? Now Y. For is high speed. Now it's low speed. Z. You see? Z. Up. Down. Okay? Press Z. Okay. This one, it's W move. It means hand wheel move. Through this, now we will move with the hand wheel. Take the hand wheel. You see? You can choose X, Y, Z. Okay? We choose X, Y. Okay? Now it's move. You see? Okay. X. Channel X now. X. Okay. Z. Z. Now it's moved to the Z. Z is down. You see? Okay. Now number 4. You see? Choose the 4 is the knife. Okay. Number 4. Okay. Wheel. Okay. Total 看一下. You see? It's moved. Right? It's turn. You see? It's turn around. Okay. This is spin on. Okay. Prayer. Now first used to be continue. Okay. And spindle. You see? It's on. Okay. Now click again. When you think green, it stop. This is for vacuum pump. When you press this, vacuum will be on. Press. Press. 你点. You see? Vacuum is on. 打那个吸尘器. Now we press the dust. This is the dust. You see? Okay. Let me show you. Dust.
冒水。
这。Now this is cleaner.
这是吸尘器。
点. Now on the back, I show you already. Okay, 好. That's the cleaner. Press this. This means this. Now it's done. Again, stop. Okay. This is the knife on off. Okay, press. You see the knife is on. Now it's vibration. Close. Now this is knife down, up down. Press. Press. You see? It's down, right? Again. Now it's back. It's press the knife down. Now this one is tool release. You see when you press these tools will be down. Now we press if you please confirm if it is safe. Okay, we press OK. Now it's down. You see?
开门.
Turn off the open the door. Okay. Now press this with the finger and the back put it here. Okay. Again. 再做一遍. Again. You see out. Okay. Now this is the tools. Okay. Now we will show you how to put it back. Okay. Yeah. Okay. When you there, you stop all to be put it back. Okay. Now this is for the calibrator tools. When you working only not touch with the food or something, otherwise it will have alarm in the software. Now software there's a diagrams. You see this one. Now the back it have the alarm. So you alarm. What is alarm? Unpress the auto sensor. Now it have alarm here. Where is for on?
主要是急停、紧急停止。
Now this is for emergency stop. When something you can press it for emergency stop. This is for it start the computer now. This press is for turn on the machine. When the have it's automatic open the software. Have this now use the press all exercise back to home. Now the machine is back to home. Okay. Now and then appear this. Oh, it's there. It means it's ready. It's back to home ready. Now when you finish the work, when you start turn off the software. Turn off the software, okay, and start off the computer. Start down computer. Must shut down computer first. Now computer is shut down, and then press this buttons. Now machine is off now. Okay. Now this is for the input power for 380 3 watt. You know, from outside. 1, 2, 3. There is three fires 1 0. Okay. This is for the machine's power. Now we will come down. This power for the dust connector and vacuum pump. Okay, you can use a cable, more strong cable. You can connect it from here, 1, 2, 3, not to the end. Okay, from here, L1, L2, L3. Use the 3 cables come to here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. From 1 to 3 here, connected here. Okay, and the vacuum and the dust. You see there is 1, 2, 3. This is 3, 1. You see you can use 3 cable for vacuum. This 3 for the dust. You can use a cable for connector. Okay. Now here the connector, it's okay. Always connector ready. Okay. All ready. You see all is okay. Now we show you how to use the camera. Now this plate you print it. You must make the 4 marking points. 1, 2, another corner have the 2 also. The diameter of this is about 8 mm to 10 mm. Okay, it's a fire. Open the software. The fire. Yeah. There is open image. Yeah. Now we open this fire. GPG fire. Open. Now it's opening now. You just waiting a moment. Now it's okay. Now this one is the one that we printed on the board. Same. Now for example, we want to cut this one. Cut anyone. We choose this one. Makes it green or any color. 好了，然后点 OK and mark. Print this mark. For this one. Now print another mark. Now it will automatic have, you see, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's automatic when you print this one. When you click this one, it automatic have the 4 marks. Now if you create files. Create, yeah. Okay, now we're back to layer. Okay, now this is the file. These tools T1 to T8 is we use the spindle for cut this board. Also you can use spindle. If you want to use the T1, we can use T1 for cut it. Now we use the knife. We choose the knife. Okay, this direction is a cutting direction. One is like this, another is counterwise. Okay, voilà. We use the CW. Now advance. Now this is the same. Now you keep it here. Okay. Now we see the material thickness. This is a 6 the board we do this one is 6 mm. So now we write 6 mm. Okay. This means each time the blade how deep it's down each time. Now, for example, we use 30 thickness. Okay. If we use a 5 mm, now we will use 6 times. If we use 6, now we use here we will change the 5. 5 times. It's down, down, down. Okay. Now we will change it back to 6. Press OK. Now parameter. Now it's okay. This is don't need to change something here. Okay. Press OK. Now we move the mark. Now we will, for how to calibrate the knife blade, we press its wheel move. Okay, this is continue. Press its wheel move. And we let the white knife down. Okay. Because we one blade is down, so we use this one for make a test, for make the video for you. Okay. Next time you can use your blade. Move here. Now we slightly use the Z. Okay, slightly one move top. You must make this on the surface of this plate. Okay, we will give it to you here on the surface of this. Okay. Now also from here change it to continue. Now Z all to 0. Now okay. Now Z is 0. Okay. Now press the CCD. Camera. Now the camera is open. Yeah, press this camera. Now you can move by the hand. Okay, move by the hand. Move X. If Y is let it close to the mark, close to the first mark. Because that's the camera. Now it's move another X. You see, it's move. You see, it's like this. It's okay. You see, like this. And this camera, it's recommended this one. OK， 然后继续，然后点继续，然后因为 start F9， OK。Now it will automatically recognize all this. Now it's OK. Number 2, it's OK. You're back. You see another one. Number 3. And now number 4. Now it's recognized. Now it will automatically come to here for working. See? Okay. Now we will be working this one.